You'll be amazed, a brilliant strategy that works on the pocket option broker. This strategy stays several steps ahead of the broker. But enough talk, let's get to action. Because I can say anything in words, but let me show you my own example. I hope I'll be able to boost my balance today. And for that, I'll need the Samurai AI bot and two indicators, RSI and stochastic. Set the RSI to a period of 6 and the stochastic to periods of 533, keep the SMA and save the settings. Just these two indicators, nothing more. Our candle interval is 15 seconds and the expiration is also 15 seconds. That's it guys, with these parameters we're all set. Let's move on to our Samurai Trader AI bot. Here, we need to make a request. Today we'll most likely be trading OTC currency pairs. The first thing we need to do is find good overbought and oversold zones. Here's the Australian dollar Canadian dollar pair. Let's make a request because here we have an overbought level above 70 and the stochastic above 80. So that's already two confirmations. If the bot now signals a downward move, then we'll place a trade down. This is a demonstration of how everything works in sync, all filtered through ideal algorithms with our bot. I'm refreshing our website guys because it froze, and I'm immediately placing a trade down on this currency pair. And let's wait for our result. Yes, there was a slight delay, but the results are instant, just as our trading robot recommends. Here guys, we made a profit. Some might say it's just a coincidence, but let's try again with the Australian dollar Canadian dollar pair. We'll place a trade upwards. Look, here we have oversold zones according to the stochastic RSI. If the bot were just placing signals randomly, it might have chosen to go down again here. Well, let's see now what it suggests to us, which option it will choose. Now guys, it's for an upward move. It sees everything, it analyzes everything competently, picks the best options for the current expiration, and we placed an upward trade. I quickly opened the signal for an upward move, and here guys, we make a profit again. What an amazing bot. But two examples are hardly enough. Let's trade a bit more and I'll show you my trading in action. So guys, let's go. I'll be explaining things as we go. If something's unclear or if I have any doubts, I'll definitely share them with you. Guys, here with AU to CHF, I had a mismatch with the indicators on pocket option, so I skipped this signal, but the bot still made a good profit. I didn't want to take unnecessary risks, so I stuck strictly to discipline. So, if we have alignment with the lower indicators, then we go ahead and place the trade. But at that moment, 5 minutes ago, they were above and the price started to go down, while our bot signaled an upward move. That's why we skip it and keep looking for good entries. For an upward move. Here we go again guys, another mismatch. The first time I didn't manage to record it. The indicators show that the market is overbought here, but our bot is recommending an upward trade, so there's a mismatch. It's better not to enter. As we can see, the price is indeed going up. So the bot takes all this into account, it has its own algorithms and logic as well. That's why, in a way, it's good that we skipped this one. Let's move on and look for other entry points. Here's the Euro New Zealand dollar pair. Let's take a look. Let's place the trade. Alright guys, everything lines up. RSI, stochastic, we have overbought conditions. And we're following the recommendation to go short according to this indicator. And once again guys, we're making a profit here. That's how we operate. Another signal. CAD CHF. Let's proceed to make a comprehensive request to the bot side. So we currently have significantly oversold conditions here, according to the readings from these two distinct and reliable indicators. What will our bot show? A lot depends on this for the price to be confirmed. Upward. Let's open an upward trade and wait 15 seconds. So guys, that's our first loss. What am I going to do? Let's make another request and I'll cover our losses. CAD CHF. If it shows an upward signal, we go up. If not, we skip it and look for other, more suitable entries. Downward. Alright guys, there's a mismatch. It's better to skip signals like these. Now let's wait for it to finish. Don't overload the bot, let the trades close. CAD JPY. We are open for a full 15 seconds. We send the request and wait. Upward. Again guys, there's a mismatch. We skip the signal, and that's basically how we work. We pick only the best, juiciest signals. There's no need to rush. We don't need to take every signal that comes up because filtering, above all, helps us protect our deposit. But with 15 seconds, as I said, it's an extremely risky move for a trader. And here you need to fight the urge to gamble. Be extremely careful not to blow your account. This signal is suitable for a downward trade. We send the request. We can see how precisely the bot signals are working out. And here guys, this is where we make our profit. Alright, let's try to place a request on Euro Yen before it's too late. But the trade has already moved upward. Let's take a significant risk with our very last trade of the day. And once again guys, we get a win. So basically the bot always helps us out. We also use additional indicators for filtering and confirmation, so we end up with triple confirmation, the bot, and 2 indicators. And honestly, this method works, but it's extremely risky. Again, I'll repeat, I don't recommend copying what I do. There's artificial intelligence that, using its own algorithms, solves the most complex tasks so that we can actually make a profit. That's why guys, there's no need to have any VIP access where you have to do live trading with people at a specific time, adjust your schedule, and waste your precious time. There are bots that work around the clock. Just use them to trade whenever it's convenient for you, with any currency pairs. I've talked a lot about other bots in our videos. Even pending orders in many cases work out exceptionally well, leading to very positive outcomes. Even the tests in the open group show how great it is to have our bots. It's a huge advantage. So if you liked the video, be sure to give it a like. And we'll see you again in the next videos. I hope you enjoyed my acceleration method. It's really convenient and comfortable. And if you use your head, you can truly become a successful trader. But unfortunately, not everyone becomes successful because many people are lazy, and some are even too lazy to get up at 5 in the morning and go for a run. And it's very important not to have motivation guys, because that fades over time, but to have discipline built up over years. This is the Samurai signing off. See you soon. Goodbye everyone.